see about natural disaster. Natural disaster is any fatal event that is caused by nature process to the earth. Natural disaster can be many types. Earthquake. An earthquake is shaking of the surface if caused by sudden movement in the earth's crust, or the buildings are damaged on the earthquake. Precautions. Try to get out of a building and go to an open area. Always use stairs to move out. Moving out immediately is not possible, take shelter under a table or bed. Volcanic eruption. A volcanic is a rupture in the crust of a planetary mass object such as Earth allows the hot lava, volcanic ash and gases to escape from a magma chamber below its surface Earth. Volcanic occurs because its crust is broken into the 17 major rigid tectonic plates that float on a hotter, softer layer in its mantle. Precautions. In places where volcanoes are active, people are taken to the safe place by authorities when there is a volcanic eruption. People should keep food and water stored for the such times. All electronic gadgets should be switched off during these times. Tsunami. A tsunami is in a series of waves are created when water in an ocean is rapidly displayed. These waves can reach up into 100 feet, crashing into the land. Volcanic eruptions impact of a large meteoritic plugging into the ocean underwater. Earthquakes can all generate a tsunami. The effects of a tsunami are devastating. Precautions. If a tsunami warning is sounded, one should immediately move to higher ground. Second one, people near the sea or at the beach should rush to the higher places. One should stay away from the ocean till is considered safe by authorities. Thank you.
Happy morning to everyone. I am Amnash of class 5 studying in Velamar Vidyalaya. Today I am going to exhibit my project water cycle. Let's go. The needed requirements are hot water, a pack of ice cubes, a big transparent bowl, a small transparent bowl, spoon and cling film and salt. Now first I adding the hot water in the big glass bowl. Put some salt on the hot water. Mixing it up with a spoon. Now, this is the ocean. Now I kept the small transparent bowl on the hot water. The small transparent bowl is the land. And I kept the clean film over it. There is no gaps and there's no gaps on the clean film. Tightly and keep the ice cubes on the clean film. Now we wait for 10 minutes. The clean film condensation on the clouds in the ice is the cool atmosphere. The water in the ocean evaporates, condensation on the clouds, and the heating mixing into the cold atmosphere. When mixing into the cold atmosphere, it looks like precipitation. Well, it is precipitation, but it looks like condensation. Now, it's been 5 minutes and we take off the ice cubes and the clouds. The water on the clouds spray. So, how many precipitation? Okay, the clouds. Now we see the precipitation. Now it was precipitated. It was so few water. So when the ocean in the water are evaporated and condensation and became clouds, and clouds hitting the cold atmosphere, the water on the clouds will precipitate and the water rain on the lands. And this is my water cycle project. Thank you.
From 5th, my topic is the hot desert. Hot deserts are hot areas with little rainfall, extreme temperature and sparse vegetation. The largest hot desert is the Sahara Desert in North Africa, covering 9 million square kilometers. Most of the hot desert lie just north and south of the equator. Thank you.
I am Untitled of Class 5C studying in VEL Senior Secondary School, Karur. I am much delighted to participate in VEL EXPO 2020. I am going to exhibit some experiment to prove scientific fact. Let's move on to the first experiment. Now I am having a plate filled with water, a glass and a candle. Now I am going to keep the candle in the plate and light it. Now I am going to close it with the glass. Now we can see the fire has gone up and the water rises from its level because of there is only limited oxygen present inside the glass and the fire uses all the oxygen and gone up. Thus makes vacuum. Let's move on to the second experiment. Now I am going to prove surface tension. Now I am taking a plate filled with water, dishwasher and some pepper. The water molecules are spread all over but tightly packed in the surface. Now I am going to pour some pepper on the water. Now you can see the pepper is not sinking into the water because the pepper has less density than the water. Now I am going to dip my finger in this dishwasher and the same in the pepper. Now we can see the pepper ore move away from my finger because I have broken the surface tension in this area. Thank you for your opportunity provided.
Hi friends, today we are going to see
is the 1 million on Earth could fit into the sun. The sun invite the atmosphere make it. Next, Mercury. Mercury is the first planet from the sun. This planet is grey in color because it is covered in powder like soil. Next, Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun. Venus looks yellow and white. You can see Venus from Earth during the sunrise and sunset. Next, our Earth. Earth is the third planet from the sun. From space, you can see the continents on Earth as brown and green. Next, Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. This planet is red in color because it is covered in rocks. Next, Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system and is made largely of hydrogen and helium. Next, Saturn. Saturn is not only planet to have rings. They are made of chunks of ice and rocks. Next, Uranus. Uranus is the first planet to be discovered by telescope. Next, Neptune. Neptune is the coldest planet in the solar system. Thank you.
A wonderful afternoon to everyone. I'm P. Meena Faye and I'm studying in Velaman Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School, Karur. I'm most delighted to participate in VEL EXPO 2020. I'm going to exhibit my project based on English author's name. Now let us go. The Angry River, which was published in 1972, was written by Ruskin Bond. He is Ruskin Bond. Gitanjali, which was published in 1910, was written by Rabindranath Tagore. He is Rabindranath Tagore. The Fire and the Ice, which was published in 1920, was written by Robert Frost. He is Robert Frost. The Golden Threshold, which was published in 1905, was written by Sarojini Naidu. She is Sarojini Naidu. The Golden Gate, which was published in 1986, was written by Vikram Seth. He is Vikram Seth. Thank you for the opportunity provided.
Hi, my name is Nikhil from 5B. Topic fraction. If we divide one whole part into two equal parts, the one part is 1 by 2. If we divide one whole part into three equal parts, the one part is 1 by 3. If we divide one whole part into four equal parts, the one part is 1 by 4. If we divide one whole part into five equal parts, the one part is 1 by 5.
Happy afternoon to everyone. I am going to explain smoke observer. The smoke observer machine helps to observe dangerous in particles in the air. Now I will explain about my project. They catch the all dust particles and make the air clean. These are used in cars and bars for safety of people. This machine also used in kitchen and help to trap on and remove airborne in the air. Thank you.
I am 5B Dharmati. I am going to explain about air pollution. There are various kinds of air pollution. Poisonous gases released from industries. Poisonous gases released from vehicles. First, I am going to explain about poisonous gases released from industries. There are number of poisonous gases: carbon monoxide, sulfur oxide, nitrogen oxide. The factories and industries think to reducing waste materials released to environment. The poisonous gases released from vehicles. Nowadays, the roads are very busy. The more vehicles, scooters, cars and bikes. so air pollution increases. The 7 wonders are one wonder in Agra, Taj Mahal, white brick changed into yellowish color. That much more air pollution. To think about reducing the air pollution. Thank you.
I am Sri of class 5B studying in Velamal Vidyalaya School, Karur. It must delighted to in Velamal 2020 I am going to that project name is Solar System. It go. In Solar System as 8 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. In solar system, Sun is the main planet. In solar system, the sun rays of this planet are from great rotation clouds of gas. This called of solar system about 4.0 year ago. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. I'm Suviksha of class 5. I'm studying Velamal Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School, Karur. I'm much delighted to participate in VEL EXPO 2020. I'm going to exhibit the project type of nouns. Let's go. A noun is a naming word. A noun describes things, person, idea, animals, place. Things example is pencil, scissors, sketch. Person example is girl, doctor, boy. Idea example is love, fear, strength. Animals example is lion, tiger, monkey. Place example is India, Chennai, Karur. Type of nouns. There are 5 types of nouns. There are common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun, material noun. Common noun. A common noun is not capitalized unless it either begins a sentence. Common noun example is girl. I am a girl. Pen. Proper noun is the name of a particular person, animal, place or thing. Proper noun example is Teddy or Vinayak. Abstract noun. The words that name thing cannot consider, yet your 5 senses cannot detect an abstract noun. Abstract noun example is happy, fear, shock, beauty. Collective noun. A noun that denotes a collection of individual records as a unit. Collective noun example is a pack of biscuits. Material noun. A grammar term that refers to a material substance from which things are made. Material noun example is cotton, gold, silver. Thank you for the opportunity provided.